In this lesson, we will discuss factorization and we will solve few questions regarding factorization. So first step in the factorization is you have to see whether or not we can take anything common among all the terms. See, I do not think so, right? Second step is, see, we have four terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will arrange these terms. We will write down 5ax and then 5bx together, and then minus this one, 3ay plus 3by. Now we can take common something from the first pair and this from the second set. So see what is common between these two. 5, yes. A is here, A is not here. X is here, X is here. Yes, we can take X as a common as well. But B is here, B is not here. Common means that the variable or any number, whatever, should be present in all the terms. So 5x we will take as a common. What is remaining? Only A is remaining. So we can write down A in the parenthesis. Then is the negative sign. 5x we have taken as a common. Only B is left. So A minus B. Then come to the second part. From here, from these two terms, we can take negative, see negative 3 because 3 is here, 3 is here, A is here, A is not here, Y. We can take minus 3y as a common. So I told you, whenever we will take negative as a common, you should be very careful. All the signs inside the parenthesis will change. So see, it is 3y, 3y we have taken as a common. What is left? A is left, and then is the positive. But please do not put the positive sign here because we have taken negative as a common. This negative and positive will multiply. Positive, negative is negative. And then 3y is a common, only b is left. Right, so these type of factorization, you have to see that both the parentheses, in both parentheses, exactly the same term should come. If it is a minus b, it should be a minus b. If it is a positive b, it means you have done something wrong. So be careful in these type of factorization when we will make the two sets, two pairs, when we will take something common in both the parentheses, sign, variable and number, each and everything should be same. So here is a minus b, it means our question is right. Now from this and this, we can take a minus b as a common, a minus b, and we have to write down only one time. A minus b is here, a minus b is here. What is left here? Only 5x is left here. And then what is left here? Negative 3y. So a minus b into 5x minus 3y is the answer. Moving on to the second question, is 3xy plus 2y minus 12x minus 8. Right? Again, first step is whether we can take anything common or not. No, we cannot take anything common. Second is we will make the arrangement. So see 3xy, and then we can take minus 12x here plus 2y minus 8. Then from here and here. What we can take as a common? We can take 3x as a common. So y minus 4 is here. Positive 2, see here is positive. So it will be remain the same, y minus 8. This sign will not change if we take positive as a common, but if we take negative as a common, all the signs inside the parenthesis will change. So see, both the parentheses are same, y minus 8, y minus 8. Sorry, this is 4. This is not 8, this is 4. So y minus 4 we can take one time as a common. what is left? Multiply by 3x plus 2. And I can do the same question by taking y as a common here. If I take y as a common, so what is left? 3x plus 2. Here 4 we will take as a common, so 3x plus 2 equal to, both parentheses have same 3x plus 2. We will take one time as a common and then multiply by y minus 4, whatever is remaining. Right? If we will take common from this set, we will get the same answer. If we will arrange this and this and this, we will get the same answer. Question number 3. See here, x cube plus 3xy square and then is minus 2x square minus 6y cube. So what we will do, we will take common, make the set. Usually if we have 4 terms, we make a set. So x we will take common from here, x square plus 3y square. And from here we will take 2 as a common, remaining is x square plus 3y square. See, minus is common, so this sign will change. Minus minus positive, and both parentheses are same. X square plus 3y square we will take one time as a common and then multiply by what is left. X is here, negative 2 is here, and this is the answer. Question number 4, and this is the important question. If I will write down important, it means you have to solve 10 times. Right? Okay. So here see x square minus y square, and this is y square minus z square. We cannot take anything common. And z is here. It means if there is no sign between the parentheses and this, so it means they are multiplying each other. Similarly, if I put dot dot means multiplication. So we will multiply this x square z minus y square z here plus y square x minus z square x. Now we will arrange this x square z minus z square x minus y square z. See, we arrange it. This is x square z and this is z square x. So we made this set and this set. So what we will take here as a common, x and z, x minus z. Here plus y square, so x minus z. Both parentheses are same. We can take x minus z as a common. Multiply by what is left, xz plus y square. So x minus z into xz plus y square is our answer. Right, so in this exercise we have also learned factorization by taking common. If still you have any question, write down in comment section, but please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.